Welcome back to today's vlog. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, because guess what? We try to give you the best content possible. Today's gonna be exciting because it's the second storm chase of the Elvin family. Well, Mom's not going on it, but the rest of us are. We're going in a little Toyota Corolla. We got some chains. We're good to go. It's supposed to be a foot of snow.
Where are we going?
Snoqualmie Pass.
Did you say that?
Yes.
We're trying to find food. Tom is rebelling.
I'm not rebelling. I just can't find anything.
We are officially headed off.
Lose the key.
Heidi's coming. You forgot about the vlog? You're a ninny. We stopped here.
At Tiger Mountain Trailhead, because there's bathrooms here. So far, there's temporary closures in I-90s and stuff related to the snow. So, but it's right up near Snoqualmie Pass where all this heavy snow and winds are happening. We'll just see what happens. We'll videotape it for you guys to enjoy.
All the mud puddles. Here we go. Racing, racing. Ah, ah. Oh my, we like slid a little bit there. Ah, you might want to roll up your window. Oh my. Oh. The back suspensions are not the best. If that ain't pretty, I don't know what is. We're putting on chains.
I know how to do it. Yeah, we got to put on the chains. It's required unless you're in all-wheel drive. And this is not all-wheel drive.
We're going into a new unknown place. It's a mix of snow and rain right now. We're intercepting things. We're exploring the parking lot while we wait for Dad. Oh, look at that snowblower.
Where? Oh, look at that.
We're out and about. Hey, I'm coming, Tom. You ninny.
The snow's died down for a little bit. We're out here at Snoqualmie Pass. The snow's died down for a little bit. It's actually picking up right now. I don't know the rates. It's a little grapple, soft tail.
Going down.
Don't do that. You just take yourself right in. Alright, I might have to get out.
Yeah.
We're definitely stuck.
We have got ourselves stuck, people.
Yeah, we got bottomed out.
Look at the beautiful snowman. Heidi loves this stuff. We're totally helping Tom. And yeah, that's that. one stack, finally. We've been...
Someone pulled this out. As we got that chain on after 2 tries, the other chain fell off, and then while we're backing up, the other chain falls off, so now we have no chains.
Okay, I found a cave, and we're going to go explore it. Okay. Wait, that's not a cave. What am I talking about? That's not a cave, that's a train. From my angle, I didn't see the train. What is my problem?
I believe in you, Sierra. Sierra, stand, you ninny.
Stand? What?
I'm doing what the wimpy Sierra would not do. I'm standing, singing.
Tom, this is boring. We need content, not boringness.
I know, I'm about to give you some. My pants is open. Where'd Dad go? He disappeared into the woods. He went into the woods and I've never seen him again.
Okay, Tom, take the camera onto...
It's so cold. Like a spider monkey.
This is why people have metal roofs.
So much fun.
Just to see that.
Can I smash it?
I do like
Sure, smash it. Do it again.
Let me take something else.
comes the sun.